Hey, what's up guys, it's Tech Info and I welcome you to my channel. Today I will show you how to get mouse cursor on your Firestick for free. First of all, open Settings. Navigate to the Device section. Select Developer Options. Turn on ADB debugging. Turn on apps from unknown sources. Press the Home button to go back. Press left arrow button. Search for Downloader. Downloaded. Press Open. If you see this pop-up, select OK. Enter this URL. Press Go. The download should now start. Wait for it to complete. Select Install. Press Done. Now you will get the option to delete the APK file. We no longer need it, so let's delete it. Press and hold the Home button. Select Apps. Scroll down and select File Linked App. Wait for a few seconds. Press the center button from Remote, enter this code here, and press Continue. You will see a list of apps. Select Mouse Toggle. Wait for a few seconds. Select the play icon. Select Install. Wait for it to complete. Press Open. Wait for a few seconds. The status will change from starting to started. Double press the play pause button. The mouse cursor will now appear. Control the cursor using the arrow buttons. If you liked this tutorial, then make sure to give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. In case of any questions or problems, drop them below and I would love to help. Have a great day.